What's an essential key in selling your home quickly and for top dollar in the real estate market? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're talking all about real estate photography and how it can make all the difference. What's happening, my friends? My name's Eric Mejia, a realtor based right here in Spring Hill, Florida, and the media director for our team here at Real Florida Group. Now, I've been putting tacos on my family's table for a while now by offering homeowners and even other realtors professional real estate photography, and take it from me, I've seen firsthand how crucial great photos are when it comes to selling a home. Now, it's not a secret, in today's digital age, the majority of home buyers begin their search online, and the photos you use can make or break their interest in your property. In this video, we're gonna be talking about why real estate photography is so important, what makes a great real estate photo, and how can you ensure that your photos stand out from the competition. First and foremost, real estate photography is important because it helps your home stand out in a crowded market. With so many homes for sale and other sellers wanting to catch your potential buyer's eye, it's crucial to make sure that you have a great first impression online. Professional photos capture the essence of your home and showcase its best features, making it more likely that potential buyers will schedule an in-person showing. So what makes a great real estate photo? Well, first, it should be well lit and well composed, with good exposure and a sharp focus. It should also be taken at the right time of the day to show off your home in the best possible light. Additionally, great real estate photos capture the unique features of your home that set it apart from others on the market. I mean, think about it. Does your home have a waterfront view? Then let's get that drone up in the air and show it off. Does your epic pool belong in a resort? Great, let's see it. Is that kitchen you have something straight out of a magazine? Prove it. Keep this in mind. Your listing's high quality photos have the ability to capture a buyer's imagination, so that way they can picture themselves there, which can ultimately lead to another offer on the table. To ensure that your photos stand out from the competition, I recommend working with a professional real estate photographer, or ensuring that your hired realtor has one on speed dial, ready to come out as soon as your listing is touched up and ready. Professional real estate photographers have the skills and the equipment needed to create stunning photos that will make your home stand out online. Plus, many real estate photographers like myself also offer additional services like 360-degree virtual tours and even 4K engaging property listing videos. These powerful assets in the hands of a dedicated realtor give potential buyers an even better sense of your property. So if you're looking to sell your home quickly and for top dollar, real estate photography is a no-brainer. It's important for your realtor to invest in professional photos that can capture the essence of your home and showcase its best features. Take it from me, with the right photos, you can attract more potential buyers and increase your chances of a quick sale.